And welcome to another Amazon FBA private label product ID. Wow, that was a lot to say. And this product is related to your computer, and it's actually a computer mouse that has been 3D printed by Play Conveyor. Check out their channel to make it more comfortable to use your computer. And you can check their YouTube video, and it already has more than 400,000 views, which indicates that people might be interested in this type of mouse. And if you look at other 3D printed designs, you also see that people enjoy branded mouses. For example, a mouse in the shape of the car of Batman or another famous shape. So there's definitely opportunities with regarding to the shape of computer mouses, and especially if you tailor it to a specific audience. For example, maybe you could look into a Harry Potter computer mouse. Obviously, you have to license the IP in some instances, but as you can see in the example of Play Conveyor, some shapes can be unique and designed yourself. So this is your ID of today. It's a custom shaped computer mouse, and this could be really popular on Amazon FBA. Obviously, you can try different shapes with a 3D printer, ask other people for input, and maybe even share some YouTube videos of you using it to drive traffic to your Amazon FBA webpage. Anyway, that was the ID of today. I wish you a wonderful day ahead, and check the gig in this video description, and this will allow you to find even more Amazon FBA private label IDs. Thank you for watching this video.